What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video on the channel. As you guys see, we are in the M5 competition right now. We are chilling. We're gonna go do some stuff for you guys. This is gonna be our second ever POV drive on the channel. Hope you guys are enjoying. We switched up how our POV cam is gonna be just a little bit, but let me know what you guys think. We're doing a nighttime POV. We're in New York City right now, and we're gonna do a little something crazy. I want to see if you guys can hear the car, but we are in the M5 comp. This thing is amazing. It's been like a week and 3 days since I had this car, and I gotta just showcase exactly how it is, man. This thing is amazing. But we're in comfortable right now. I don't know if you guys can see on the screen. Everything is in all the comfort efficient settings, so the car is not going to be the loudest it is. But remember, guys, this car is fully stock. And for those that are new to the channel, this is a 2022 M5 competition. It has a 4.4 liter twin turbo V8. This thing is an insane car. I can't believe BMW made something like this. But listen, man, there's still a lot of things I have to learn with the M5. But if there's any secret features or anything you guys know about the LCI M5, comment down below. Let me know, because you guys already know I just bought this car, so we gotta learn a bunch of stuff. We got the amazing purple ambient lighting going all around. The Bowers and Wilkins sound system lighting up as well. This car is just, people forget about how luxurious the M5 is just because of how fast it is. But this thing literally parks by itself, parallel parks, reverse into parks, perpendicular parking, whatever you want to do in this car, you could do it. This thing is insanely luxurious. Holy, what in the fuck is that? What the fuck? Holy shit! What the fuck is that car, bro? Nah, whoever this guy is, bro, is crazy. This guy is dead ass crazy, man. Holy fuck.
Stay to the left, I-495 East HOV.
Oh fuck, there's a cop. Holy shit. Yeah, he's fucking crazy. He's fucking crazy. Yo, bear with me, guys, because I know, yo, we're going, okay, I'm not going to say the speed we're going, but in this car, it does not feel like it at all. Holy shit. Fucking bugging, dude. Yo, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, man. The way I have the camera placed, it's kind of blocking my vision, so I'm like literally driving while impaired. He's literally waiting for me. Dude, that fucking car sounds insane, dude. Holy fuck, we just put this shit in M mode. I don't know if you guys can see this heads-up display and the fucking dash just changes. Yo, this guy's car is insane. Yo, this fucking car is insane, bro. This fucking car is absolutely insane, dude. Oh my god, we're literally going 100, doesn't even feel like it. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Nah, his fucking car sounds insane. Holy shit, his car sounds insane. Nah, he's gonna get pulled over, dude, I swear. Yo. No way this cop's not gonna pull him over. There's no way. Oh shit. I think he's gonna go after him. The cop's speeding up. Oh shit.
New York 107 South Fort Hicksville.
Ain't no way the cop doesn't go after him, bro. No way. Nah, he's taking the exit. This is fucking crazy. There's no way. Shit.